Meaning of deepen.
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 Deepen. The word deepen means to become or make something more intense, profound, or extensive. It implies a process of moving beyond the surface level and gaining a deeper understanding or connection with something or someone. When we deepen our knowledge, relationships, or experiences, we enhance our capacity for insight and meaning. Deepening can lead to greater intimacy, empathy, and awareness, as well as new perspectives and discoveries. It can also involve facing challenges or uncertainties, but ultimately, deepening leads to growth and enrichment in various aspects of life.